Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to remove the glass part of your rearview mirror. The mirror itself, not the assembly, just the glass, on an 03 Tundra. So if you need that part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. To get better access at the glass, you can actually tilt the mirror out and lock it. And a good practice to not damage yourself or cut yourself is to tape up the glass. I like to tape it. It might break, it might not. But I also like my fingers non-bleeding. So we'll just do it all this way. I hope we get it good. So you push it all the way to one side, like that, and you reach your fingers in and you give it a good pull. And there it is. Here's your electrical connectors for the heated glass, and all you would do is just pull on that tab. And your new mirror is going to come with these new plastic bushings. And make sure you look up heated mirror, if you have them. So to reinstall it, you just reverse the procedure. Put those both on. So I just pulled the tab off of here, out of here, like grab it firmly, tilt it to a side, and just watch it pop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install them the reverse way on here first. So spring side on that, just push it on. They're really greasy, so you got to put a rag in your hand or something. Stop them from sliding around. There we go. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to line up. See how the bottom here has a slot? You can go north, south, or east or west, so I'm going to turn this one at that angle. You'll see better when you actually do it how they have notches on them. And that way we should be able to line it up. Give it a firm pull, push. There we go. So, start at the bottom at an angle because you've got to get the center piece that has a bar on it and like a round cup. So go at the bottom and sneak up on it, snap it up to the top. All the best advice I can give you. Other than that, the glass survived. Then we can peel the tape off and clean the mirror. After installation of the glass, always make sure the mirror works in the up and down or the side to side motion. And you should be done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.